Good morning, dear students. This is Professor Mukta Chandani. Today I am going to start my lecture regarding the interview session, which will be very beneficial for your future prospect. And whenever you are going to face any interview, then it will be really beneficial for your life. And all these things will be helpful when you will face any placement. So let's start. I am Professor Mukta Chandani from SAGE Group, SIRT, Applied Science and English Department. So let's start. Today there are 5 questions regarding the interviews. These are the questions and answer session, which will be one by one. I will let you know, and you will have to remember it. And in the next session, I will present other 5 questions. First of all, any interviewer will ask you, what factors do you think determine a person's progress in an organization? What type of factors do you think? Means your answer will be here. In my view, there are 3 things that determine a person's progress in an organization. These are, first one is the ability to do the job well, including a willingness to learn new things. Second one is to be able to fit in with the culture of the organization. And third one is to adapt to the changing circumstances. Means there are 3 factors. You can remember any one and you can reply any one. But if you will reply all the 3, then it will be really impact on the interviewer's mind. What factors do you think determine a person's progress in an organization? Means always you should have to willingness to learn the new things. New things you can learn, and then in this way you can reply. Then always willingness to learn new things. Here, this is the second questions and answer. The interviewer may ask you, describe your ideal job. Means what is your ideal job? The answer may be like this. This job that I am applying for contains many ingredients of my ideal job. It contains all 3 ideals. That is, first one is a lot of variety, is intellectually challenging, and will allow me to work on my own as well as in the team environment. This is the all 3 answers for your describe your ideal job. These 3 answers you can reply. Means lot of variety. You should have the in the ideal job that there are lot of variety, and it will be the intellectually challenging and will allow me to work on my own as well as in a team environment. Very nice answer you can give in any interview. Here it is, the lot of variety means you can have the lot of varieties of your work. Means you should have to face the lot of varieties, and it will be really the challenging, and you will face different type of challenges in your life. So you should have to reply like it will be the challenging and lot of variety. Here is the third questions with answer. How do you deal with criticism? Very important. Any interviewer will ask you, how do you deal with criticism? So answer is that I view criticism as being the same as the constructive feedback. Whenever you will face the criticism, it will be the constructive feedback. How? Something which is designed to improve my performance. Criticism can be a great learning tool. Whenever you are facing any criticism, then you can learn many new things with this criticism. So it will be the great learning tool. Means you should have to learning tools, different learning tools like sales techniques, and you different type of sales technique. You should have to change the environment. You should have to means different type of techniques. Whenever you feel the criticism, you will need to change and different criticism. Like you should have to change the structure. You should have to change the staff, skills, style, and different type of values, strength, system. So whenever you will face the challenging, all these things will help you for the great learning tools. Here it is the fourth questions. Why do you want to join our organization? Any of interviewer will ask you, why you want to join our organization? Have you learned about our organization? This will be the bilkul right questions. So you should have to answer like this. I want to be a great part of organization. I want to be a part of your organization. I want to be a part of your organization because there are the four things. I am interested in the job profile. Means if whenever you are in the mechanical branch, you are in the civil branch, you are in the electrical, electronics, computer science branch, so you are very interested in the job profile. Good. Second one is the position of your organization in industry has always attracted me. You can also answer like this. The position of your organization means if you will want to join the Sage Group, then you should have to search about the Sage Group and the position of that Sage Group. That organization, all of industry has always attracted me. You can like this. You can say like this. Third one is, I want to be a part of the growth of your organization. I want to be a part of the growth of your organizations. Always you should have to be the part of that growth of that organization whenever you will join that organization. And fourth one is the mission and vision of the company has always inspired. Very interesting answer. The mission and vision, that company, whenever you will face, when you will join any company, then you should have to search the mission and vision of that company, which you will have always inspired by that company. Here it is the mission, always mission. You should have to face the, you have to search the mission, and then like that. Next one is the vision for the growth. You should have also searched that company's mission and vision, and like this you should have to change your workout. So like this, all these things will be the very important in your placements and in whenever you are going to join any company. Here it is the fifth question, and the interviewer may ask you, how do you rank yourself in terms of success? Very important question. How do you rank yourself in terms of success? What is the mission? What is the vision of your success? How do you rank yourself in terms of success? So answer is like that. I believe that I should face the challenges in my everyday work life with strength and courage. With strength and courage, I should face the challenges in my everyday work life with strength and courage. With strength and courage, you should have to face the challenges in everyday work. Second one is, I should work hard. You should have to, you can also say like this, I should work hard, diligently to set targets that are the success for me. You can also say like this, diligently to set the targets. You always should have to set the targets that are success for me. And third one is, achieving a set of goals would be success for me. All three answers you should have to give that interviewer. Then interviewer may be always impressed by all these answers. So all these are all 5 questions, and you should have to memorize in the first series of 5 questions. In the next series, I will teach you about the next 5 questions and answers. In this way, continuous first, second, third, fifth, and all series I will present you. Here it is. It may be the work will be difficult, but you should have to face the challenges, and you should have to dream big. You should have to set the goals. and you should take the action. You should dream big, set goals and take actions. The work may be difficult, so you should have to face all the challenges with very nicely. In this way you will get the success. So thank you very much for your watching this video. And my mobile number is flashing on the screen, and thank you very much for watching all these videos. In the next series I will bring you the next 5 questions. Okay, thank you very much for all these things. Stay happy and keep watching, and if you have not subscribed the channel, do it right now. Thank you very much.